Alrighty, let us go and start the US trading session here. US equities have opened, not much of a gap. Again, I do expect this to just kind of base around this area. How's the RSP doing? Same story, nothing really happening. Just kind of a basing I would expect. And so, what are we trading? I want to say, I do like real estate here. I just want one trade, and I think that one trade is likely going to be real estate here. I do like real estate. Yeah, I like real estate. So I'm going to trade real estate. And for this, I do need to get on Finviz. At the same time, I need to get with my trading client. Not my trading client, my AI to talk with. But let me go to Finviz real quickly. And then let's see what I can trade here. So on Finviz, I want real estate and I want market cap to be above 10 billion. Yeah, so I would be doing large real estate. And then in terms of technicals, let me just do any here. And then I want to see the performance for 1 month. Let me see the performance in terms of strength. Okay. So right now we got SBAC is performing quite well. How's it doing? It's pulling back at the moment. Any other chart that's maybe more in alignment with what I'm trying to do here? This one is also high basing, really. Nothing too much here. I'm looking for a trade to go long. What about LAMR? No, not really. EGP. Yeah, everything is kind of at a high price right now. Doesn't really look too good, to be honest. Yeah, I don't want to get in here. Okay, this one looks interesting. Equix. Let me look at that on the platform. And then, so let me just log into the account real quick. Okay, we are logging in. And yeah, I don't really want to take too many trades right now. I am still in this testing phase and building out my stocks trading system and just methodology, really. And so I do have a big picture idea of exactly what to do, but now I have to consolidate that. And that's this whole process of really executing and like really finding out where the leaks are or where I can sustainably do this and where I cannot sustainably do this. And so just waiting for this to log in. I want to see EQIX. That's the only thing I really want at the moment. And then, yeah, for the most part, this is pretty good. Real estate is something I'm interested in seeing some higher prices. And then when it comes to journal here, when it comes to the journal, I still do have to fix up the stocks and options log here. Currency log is okay, but the stocks and options log is not okay yet. I've yet to like fully design and build it. And so I think most of them actually I've yet to like design and build, to be honest. And so um, yeah, I'm
It's a
still kind
connection
of
mark.
working through this. And then currency outlooks, I'm kind of just doing the videos already. And this one just seems like more work, to be honest, including the US equities. So I'm still figuring it out. And then IBKR is playing up. It does that sometimes, especially this desktop app. It is quite laggy, if I say so myself. Usually I just use the phone and then, um, yeah, actually, I should execute on my phone. But it's just easier to keep it um, kind of systematic here. I have other logins on my phone, so I try and avoid it here. I accept. That's just lagging so much. Hold on a second. Yeah, so I'm not 100% interested in actually buying real estate right now. There is nothing really good to buy at the moment. Like I could definitely do some more patient and waiting. That would be a lot more ideal to just be patient and wait some more. Like look at this. This one's kind of stretched at the moment. I need more time, a few more days, maybe next week could be some good buying potential. But right here, right now, I just want to look at um, what is possible on the options chain. That's all about it. I don't want to do more than that. If there is a trade, I will look into it.
Market data
And the
connection
only reason
re-established.
for that is because I am on this demo account and it doesn't hurt to click buttons on a demo account and try something out and figure something out. That's the only reason. Otherwise, I wouldn't really. Oh, this is so poor, actually. I might have to just start trading on my phone with options because this is actually so bad. And so instead, I'm just going to go to option strat here and kind of see what this options chain is providing for the stock we're looking at, which is EQIX. So let me look for maybe just a long call, or actually, you know what? I want to do a spread. Let me do a bull call spread instead for EQIX. And then I want to do this for what is it? April? Oh, it's only got monthlies. Yeah, monthly does have pretty good options here. What price is it at? It's at 1.1k. So 1.1k, 150. Maybe give me calls on the bottom side for about this much. What's the spreads on this? I want to see the spread actually. Wide bid ask spread. It's a 13% spread. It's got low volume. This is the main issue I'm trying to fight. Like I want to see lower spreads on the charts that I trade, but I'm not really seeing that. Um, yeah, I'm not really seeing that. So let me talk with uh, let me talk with my AI agent here, and let me bring him up actually for you. Wow, this IBKR is really just making my whole computer lag right now. It's making my whole thing lag. It's kind of crazy. All right, dragging this in here. Trader personality plan. Um, okay, I'm just gonna open this up, and then yeah, clearly opening IBKR is not an option. I gotta close this up because it's completely shutting my computer down so badly. There we go, much better here. Okay, I am looking at, what am I looking at here? EQIX, EQIX, and it only has monthly. Also, the spreads are 13% according to option strat. I am thinking of building a bull call spread. What should I do? I can wait for more days, for more candles to form, but at the same time, I can expect price to get to higher levels in by next expiration. So this is kind of the process that I'm going through at the moment when it comes to um, actually executing my trading plan and going live with the stocks and options desk. So the spread 13% is a red zone. Monthlies only means you have no precision in your time management. If you build a bull call spread, widespread, monthly only stock, you're doubly trapped. You have two legs with wide spreads. If you need to exit early, you will pay the slippage tax twice. And so the GOAT solution is you don't have to trade EQX, capture the move. You can institutional mirror. Alternative A, trade the real estate sector. Alternative B, the liquid tech link, often data center REITs. Move in correlation with cloud AI infrastructure. Look for Microsoft or Amazon. The spreads are. Okay, so in a way, not trading stocks, just trading the sector itself. I can kind of do that if you insist. Um, Wait for value reset. You mentioned waiting for more candles. This is the defender's best move. If the spread is 13, the perfect entry, you need the perfect entry to offset the cost. Okay. The midpoint or no trade, place your spread order as a net debit at the midpoint. If the market makers don't give it to you, you do not choose. You do not chase. Yeah, I mean, that's what I do on every trade, anyways. The max risk adjustment, because of the monthly expiration and wide spreads, you must cut your position size in half. If it feels like the rules are starting to act as a filter for your intuition, 8 years of experience told you is going up, but the code rules told you the execution is dirty. This is progress. You're making a trader who follows hunches to an operator who follows a system. Final checklist for the weekend. Um, MDTX limit order, sovereignty protocol tomorrow morning. Blackout begins. Your consulting business and charts stay closed until Sunday afternoon. It's not Friday. It's not Saturday yet. Hold on. Well, this one it's talking about this because I work so much, and we're trying to set up some protocols where I am not working on Saturday and Sunday. XLRE. Well, most people, maybe might take holidays and stuff, but for me, it's like a little bit difficult. And that's one of the things that I have to do. Okay, if I'm looking at XLRE, This has also got the same spreads though. So how do I do this? Let me just open up my trading station on my... the problem with this is... Actually, hold on. Can I just do it on my iPad then? Yeah, let me try executing on the iPad. And so I don't mix up my... yeah, because I don't want to log in and log out all the time from my... from my phone where I'm logged into some FX account. And so if I can separate them and not have to manually log in every day, because that takes a lot of energy and time, which I don't really have, especially in the world of trading where timing matters so much. I can't really allocate that time to this other thing. All right, iPad has opened up. This is pretty good here. I like this. Give me... looking at my situation. Yeah, this looks much better. Wow, why am I up so much already? Showing my portfolio here. And what is this position here? Okay, let me go to the watch list. Let me add XLRE. And so this... I am currently just executing or looking for XLRE. XLRE. And I'm looking for the option here. What options do we have? It has 15th May only. And if I build, I mean, if I just go long, I suppose. I mean, if I go long, then I'm going to do June here. And if I'm doing June, then I am going to be... what is this? So if it's... what's the current price? XLRE is currently at $43. And if I buy... okay, I gotta set up the whole thing with... I gotta set up this thing here. My iPad doesn't really have the most cool settings yet. Strike display. And I'm also not really familiar with this, so I'm still learning myself. I got weeklies, option flex, manage columns. Yeah, I want to see the delta. I want to see... what else is important to see? Option open interest for sure. Yeah, for now I'll keep it at that. And then bid ask last. Yeah, I'll keep it at that for now. Done. Let me see now. It's got open interest. There's no open interest here. Why? What is this? Let me talk to the AI again. I am looking at XLRE. There is no open interest. Why? For June expiry, which is 56 days out, and I can use that to buy a call. But there seems to be no interest. There's no interest on this. You have correctly identified liquid mirror, but now you hit a wall because the open interest. In the world of ETF, open interest is often considered in the monthly expiration rather than the weeklies. Well, this is only monthly. If you're looking for June monthly and Caesar, it usually means the big money hasn't rolled their positions into the contract yet, or the market makers are waiting for more volume. However, who value safety, open interest is hard red flag. If you enter a contract with no open interest, you are the only one in the room. When you want to leave, the market makers will charge you a hostage fee. Okay, definitely don't want to do this. You do not force a trade into liquid contract. You have three parts here. Check the May monthly expiration, even though it is close to your 2 week time stop. It likely has, yeah, it does have actually. You can buy the May 70 Delta call, catch your move, be out in 10 days before the theta drops. The no trade victory. Why no interest is a gift. Think of low open interest as a closed sign on a store. You wouldn't break the window to get in, you'd just go to the store that is open by refusing to trade XLR with no open interest. Yeah, I can do that. So let's just stick with May then. Then calls here for 0.7. You know, yeah, this one's got a lot of open interest here. And 44's got a lot of open interest as well. So there's people thinking price can go higher. In terms of delta, let me buy. Wow, the spreads are really nice too. I'm just going to buy a call here. And the amount of risk, how much is it? It is $1.30. So that's $130. How many can I buy? If I'm risking 500, 100, 2, 3, maybe I can buy 3 at least. How much is the risk? That's $435 risk on that. Yeah, I can do that. And then I will actually get in with a direct order. Can I buy this? I'm just going to market this because on the demo account, it is very, it doesn't fill me up on the account. I don't know why. I'm just going to buy this at the market. Using the iPad is a lot better than the actual desktop app. The desktop app sucks. All right, I got filled in at $1.25. This is just so laggy. It's crazy. Why is it laggy like that? All right, I did get in, and the plan here is to kind of see price come around here, up here, and then I'm just going to get out on this trade. So now I've got 2 trades on my portfolio. I've got MDT. Let's just have a look at MDT. And I'm surely on a sell side on this MDT. Probably do just wait for this a little bit to pull back, some low base, and then push lower. So I am on a June 82.5 MDT. So I'm about here. This is where I kind of got into this. Or this is the put that I've bought. And then, yeah, that's about it. I do need to focus and build my trading plan a lot better. So I'm going to do that probably tomorrow. Now it's the time to just stop this. And yeah, I'll see you on the next one. Bye.